Billions of people around the world do not have access to safe and clean water. In 2019, the World Health Organization reported that here in the Philippines, 1 in 10 people still do not have access to improved water sources. With this in mind, child focus group World Vision is holding a fundraising virtual run event called Global 6K for Water. World Vision says 6 kilometers is actually the average distance people in developing areas would have to walk to get access to clean water. Now, to tell us more about this, we now join Jun Godornes. He's the Resource Development Director of World Vision. Good morning, Jun. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, good morning. Thank you for having me.
It's a real pleasure, Jun.
Yeah.
First of all, how serious is the water problem here in the Philippines? Let's talk about that.
Well, I think if we compare Philippines with other countries like in Africa, I think we're doing better. But according to government reports, there's like 12% of the population still have limited access to clean water supply. And I think that's the campaign and the advocacy that we want to push, especially now that we are having a pandemic. We believe that this campaign would help promote better hand washing and sanitation for the people. So that would help us move forward.
Absolutely right. Now, I mean, clean drinking water to drink, clean water to keep your hygiene up is very, very important, particularly now during this pandemic. Now, tell us a little bit more about the Global 6K for Water. We want to hit a lot of birds with this stone, don't we?
Well, World Vision has been doing several runs, like here in the Philippines. I think this is our 8th run, but this is our 2nd virtual run. And the Global 6K run, it's a virtual running event, and we, of course, we aim to promote fitness and health, especially during this time. And at the same time, we're raising awareness and raising funds for the needs of World Vision's assisted children and communities. And so the goal is to create more hand washing facilities and also identify areas where there's limited access to water. And so we want to make sure that the behavior of Filipinos would change as well towards hand washing, and that's where access to safe and clean water comes in, and it's part of sustainable development goals as well. And while we're already seeing a lot of improvement, there's still some space to do better.
It's certainly something that most of us take for granted. Now, this is a global campaign that's happening from August 15 to September 15. Let's walk them through or run us through the mechanics. Since this is a virtual running event, how can people sort of keep track of the mileage that they're doing? How can they join in the first place? Take us through the mechanics.
Sure. Yeah. So we are in partnership with takbo.ph. And so we invite you to visit the website, takbo.ph, and then among the race events, click on the World Vision Global 6K Run and sign up. You can choose which distance you'd like to run: 6K, 12K, 24K, and 60 kilometers. So those are the available distance categories. And it's 6K because according to data, 6 kilometers is the average distance that people walk, especially in developing countries, to fetch water. And so if you're not doing that, so you're blessed, you're in a better position. And so we're doing this as part of an advocacy and as part of a global campaign. World Vision globally, it's the biggest NGO that's providing water to all over the world. So in the Philippines, we have access to water, clean water, but I think the facilities still need to improve. And we're hoping that we would be able to amplify the voices of the children who are in need of this intervention. And so for those who are joining, do download an app, or even if you're wearing a smartwatch, or even if you're using a treadmill. So this is a walk and run virtual event keep track of the distance that you're running through the app that you're using. And then when you go to takbo.ph, it would ask you to open your sign up for an account so you can log in the distance that you are able to complete. So you have 1 month from August 15 to September 15 to complete the race. So I hope you join us.
It really is a great opportunity for many people out there who do indulge in running. Why not do it for a cause? Go ahead and register. Registration is now ongoing for those who are interested. It's a great opportunity for us to walk in the shoes or run in the shoes of those who don't have access to clean water. Again, we want to say thank you so much to Jun Godornes from World Vision for joining us right here on New Day. Thanks, Jun.